Wick with the custom goodness.
Yeah, so...
Oh, look, he turned his headlight off.
Yeah, maybe that much better for you. So these things are made of unobtainium. So 1 year only rear upper window stop for the passenger side, driver's side same. But there's two of these on the car, none of them in existence. So we had one. Let me get one.
Oh. Wick's getting it.
We had an extra one of these because I bought all of these that I could find on eBay. So this one is similar, but obviously has these ears and so forth. So that's
now these we determined were like 70 to 72, we think, something like that.
Something like that. And I think these actually might be rear quarters. But what was good about it was the spacing from the bolt hole to the little tab there is identical to this. This little bend and the stamping of it and everything, actually the one I used was even better. So I cut the ears off of it to make another one. So that's the original and that's the custom.
Nice.
Came out pretty good. Now, the other thing is that this end here is a little bit long.
Just a hair though.
Yeah, like maybe an 1/8 inch or something. So I marked it. This mark's not right. I marked it here, but I wanted to put it in the bandsaw, but I need like an angle or something to
hold it.
Hold it in there.
Looking good, Wicky. He's taking pictures of his before, what he started with.
Started with that.
What we wanted.
Wanted that, and got that. So still got to get dipped in the rubber. This one obviously needs to too, but pretty stinking identical in every way, shape, or form.
That's pretty good work, Wick.
I'm happy about it.
You got that down, man. That's good stuff. I love it.
Yeah. So I'd sell these for about $500.
Yeah, at this rate.
Since it took me an hour to do it.
Yeah.
Wick's got maybe longer than an
Wick's
hour.
got a little more than an hour.
But it's satisfying to have it done.
Yeah, and that's identical.
Yeah.
I mean, you get that a little weathered up like this is.
That's it. We just got to roll it around in some grease and it'll look like it's factory.
Yeah. Soak it in some water, get a little rusty.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Styling, man.
Yeah. One more, what do they call them? Out of the box? Bolt-on.
Yeah. Bolt-on item.
Bolt-on item that we've custom made. We've custom made so many bolt-on items on this project so far.
Yeah.
And I have a feeling we're not done yet.
Oh no, it's always going to be custom bolt-on. And then our other thing is, if you think what I cost per hour is expensive, you don't want to know what Wick bills. He's extra expensive.
Yeah. And slow on top of it.
And he takes his sweet ass time.
He does. He's slow and expensive.
Meticulous.
Not really a good combination, probably.
Meticulous is the way to be.
There you go.